Number 13, flood.
Recent heavy rains across much of the country have caused many rivers to overflow their banks in Limpopo and Mpumalanga, forcing the closure of several Kruger National Park, KNP, camps, and gravel roads on Monday, January 13th, 2025.
Storm, natural disaster.
The powerful storm and huge wave that passed over the Baltic Sea over the weekend caused numerous difficulties and damage in coastal towns in Poland. Residents and tourists had to deal with the dangerous backwater, or the river's flow of water, which flooded parks, streets, and other elements of infrastructures in many parts of the coast.
Just name them. Let us pray, because some will happen in nature.
Moderate to heavy rainstorm continue to fall, leading to floods accompanied by hail and active winds that stir up dust and dirt today, Monday, in parts of several regions. The National Center of Meteorology explained that the rainy conditions will be witnessed in the northern borders, Al-Jaf, Hail, and Medina, and will extend to parts of the Qashim, Eastern, Riyadh, Makkah, and Al-Baha regions. A video clip shared on social media showed moments of heavy rain, accompanied by strong winds and low visibility in the Medina area. The heavy rain caused floods that submerged roads and desert in the Medina area.
اللهم شافي كل مريض اللهم اغفر لنا ولوالدينا لا إله إلا الله.
Viewers, this is to let you know that when God's servant speaks forth, the wise listen. Deuteronomy 18 verse 22.